Hi Dry So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the owl emoji. So let's get started. To draw this awesome owl, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a really big circle. And then I'm going to come in and draw another circle. Right here. And then I'm going to come and draw another circle right here for a highlight. And then shade everything else in. From there, let's go ahead and draw the other eye. So I'm going to come right across, so say about right here, not too far apart, but right in this area. And I'm going to draw another circle. Just going to drag this point across. Since I'm drawing pretty big, make sure my circles are about the same height. And down to create my other circle. And once again, we're going to do the same thing. So now that we finally have our eyes done, let's come in between and draw the beak. So let's start with a little curve right here, right in between. And then I'm going to bring this down. And then at the bottom right here, I'm going to connect it so towards the center and then go right back up. With this widen out V to draw the beak. Then from there, let's come above each eye. I'm just going to tentatively draw like a soft curve over each eye. From there, let's start to frame the face. So I'm going to come right, let's say right here, above the eye in this area. I'm going to come out, say about right here, give myself a point, and I'm going to start to draw this curve. Kind of follows the eye, so just curve out. And about right here, where the eye starts to end, we're going to come in. Right there. So you just want to draw this little curve right here. Then I'm going to do the same thing on this side, but it's going to be a little bit wider. So right here at the top of the eye, come out a bit wider. So say about right here, because the owl is kind of looking towards this way, so it's not dead centered. So it's going to be wider on this side. So let's do the same thing. I'm going to curve around the eye, and then about right here in this area where the eye starts to bottom of the eye, we're going to bring it in. So I'm going to come about right here, just find my center. So I kind of say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a tentative point because I kind of want this pointy part right here in the chin. So I'm going to come up to connect. And then let's do the same thing over here and connect. Right back there. Okay, so it's very subtle, but you just want this kind of angular right here and come down towards this part center and go right back up. So that's the most difficult part, I think, just to try to get in. So then from there, let's come back and we're going to draw the top head feathers. So I'm going to come right in between the eyes and about right here and here. I'm going to start and go up, nice and high. So this is my head area, so I'm going to go up, oops, and curve down about right there. So same thing on this side, just go up and curve out. So now that we have that in, let's come back over here. We're going to thicken this. So let's come down and then towards the center. We're going to go down with a curve and then go right back up the top right there. And then now we can go ahead and finish the head. So let's bring this around right into this area. And so same thing over here. So we're going to imagine this coming through, curving down and coming through. So about right here to connect for our owl's head. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw some details right here. So let's thicken this part right here on the side. I'm going to come in here with a curve, come down for the side, and then right here we're going to come in and out, zigzag, and back in. So same thing here, in, then out, and in. From there, let's start to draw the body. So let's come right underneath here. We're going to come in with a curve and down. So I'm going to make my owl nice and chubby. So right here, we're going to come down. And then in this area right here, let's see here. Let's bring this down a little bit more. About right here, I'm going to start to curve in. And then on this side, we're going to have to draw the feather. So let's bring about right here, we're going to pop this out, and then let's come right here. We're going to taper this wing and curve out. So we're just going to bring everything, starting to bring it together, and then come down right here, back and forth, just down. So I kind of want to bring my body to about right here. So let's come over here and finish this part first. Let's come in. And right underneath here, we're going to start to draw two big curves. So come in right here with one curve. And then about right here, draw another one. And go back up right there. So then in this area, let's finish our wing. So I'm going to come curve 1, 2, and this one's going to be lower and connect right there for that wing. And then whatever space you have left, go ahead and just connect. So just this big shape right here. There. So now that we have that in, let's draw the other wing. So about right here, before I forget, I'm going to come out right here and pop out and taper it in. There. And then now for the feet. So let's come right underneath, come out right there, and then we're going to go out, curve, curve, and then right in here we're going to angle a little bit with a curve for that one. And then so same thing here, nice and thick. We're just going to put it in. And one more, same thing, but this side is only going to come in, and we're just going to put it in right there and add another one towards the back. And then let's add some nails right here and here and one here. And here. So I'll go in there and erase that a little bit later. And then the tail. So let's come about in this area, angle it down, and just draw a little indication of it and just put it, taper it right in. And then for some details on the feathers, so you can do this when you're coloring, or you can just draw a curve right here. And the chest feather, so say about right here. Go out, maybe another layer, and one more. There. And that is pretty much it for this owl inspired by the owl emoji. I really hope you love how it turned out and I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Drastic Quick videos.